Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I am making chicken, basil, and Parmesan paninis plus more. So let's get started. I am going to blend up this garlic butter and I'm going to add in, well, this is it right here, the chef chamois. I get it from Sam's. It is delicious. I'm going to add my basil in that I get right from my container garden outside on my patio. You can buy it, of course, in the grocery store, or if you don't like basil, you can skip this step. But I'm going to blend it up with the chef chamois butter. And I just put it right on my Ninja and blend it up. And here it is. You guys, I also added 3 drops of honey, and you want to add about less than a teaspoon of olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and saute up some onions for me and my husband's sandwich. Excuse my fingers. I was in a hurry because these folks was hungry. So I'm using some sea salt and also some ground black pepper. You just want to get that in. No measurements here, and this is just according to your taste buds and how you like it. Get them all sauteed up. You want them soft for your sandwich or to whatever consistency you like. And also I made turkey bacon and regular bacon for me and my son's sandwiches and my husband's. Also, here is the ending result of my blend up in the Ninja. I'm going to get it just spread on with this brush. This is a pastry brush. You just want to go ahead and spread it on your sandwich. You can put as much or as little as you like. Yeah, just get it coated, get it covered there on the inside. And we're going to put it on each sandwich. Well, whoever wants it. Me and my husband wanted it. I didn't put it on the kids. Also, chicken. This was rotisserie chicken from Sam's. I just cut it up. And then we had some deli fresh oven roasted turkey. And we put that on. And this adds just layers of flavor to the sandwich. Also, we have some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese that I picked up from Sam's. And you want to get it on the sandwiches. You don't have to put whole slices on if you don't want to. This is expensive somewhat, this cheese is, but put it on however you like. Some of it I just kind of tore it and put pieces here, pieces there. I put Parmesan cheese and Italian cheese, both shredded. And it tastes so good on this sandwich. And you want those strings of cheese just pulling apart. Okay, here we have tomato and cilantro. And that was also the onion that I didn't saute. But you want to put whoever likes whatever, you want to get that on their sandwich. So yes, me and my husband got pickles. The kids didn't want pickles, so we, of course, didn't put them on. And I put the sauteed onion on me and my husband's sandwiches. This, oh, it's so good, sauteed onion. And then here, I put the bacon on. My husband likes turkey bacon. Me and my son had regular bacon. And you just get it on there. I put some basil on my sandwich and my husband's sandwich. I put some whole pieces of basil on. And then now comes the lettuce. You want to top it with the top pieces of the bread. Don't worry about the way it looks. It's going to look good in the panini. I cut it off so that it could fit better into the panini. I just cut some of the tops off. So you want to spray it with olive oil. And you also want to put some chef chamois butter down too. But anyway, this is the first sandwich going in. And it's golden brown. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to eat it. Gonna put some more chef chamois butter down, some more olive oil. And you want to go ahead and get the next sandwich in. Get it all situated on there. Yes. And close it down. This is what it's looking like. All golden and cheesy and just delicious. That's what it looks like on the other side. And here's the next one. Go ahead and get it pressed also. And y'all, please excuse my George Foreman. It is old. I think it's older than Isaiah. But look, it looks delicious. And yes, of course, I made fries to go with it. And this is my husband's with the turkey bacon on top. It is delicious. Your family will love them.